Let's watch how Little John can turn this desert chimney into a luxury house. Little John and his wife decided to climb a deserted chimney on the weekend. Due to years of disrepair, the chimney suddenly became loose and collapsed, trapping them for 3 days. Fortunately, their second aunt arrived just in time to save them. To celebrate their survival, they decided to set up their new home in that chimney. However, the diameter is only 2 meters, giving them just 3.14 square meters of space. So they decided to weld some circular frames from galvanized square steel, then pour concrete to make sure it's durable for 10,000 years. The wall is adorned with a beautiful copper water pattern. Since the space is too stuffy, they made a fake window and installed 2 toilets next to it so the couple can use them together and chat about life. A small coffee table in the middle holds toilet paper conveniently. They added a metal wood grain cabinet for their toiletries. With a washing and drying machine, they can wear clothes directly after washing. 2 sinks next to it make it more convenient for both of them to use. The top features waterproof gypsum board and lights, with a shower head and a round floor drain for fast drainage. The middle section can be raised and lowered for added convenience. An integrated cabinet against the wall where Little John can show off his cooking skills. They matched it with a small refrigerator to freely place the fruits and vegetables sent by the second aunt. A shoe cabinet extends from the door to the ceiling, allowing them to place their clothes freely when entering. The booth in the middle can be covered with soft cushions, transforming it into a sofa. The upper extension seat has 2.5 floors, allowing all their books to be placed freely. The lift table in the middle lowers to become a dining table. This space can also function as an elevator. 2 lifting rails are installed behind the toilet, making one-button lifting more convenient. The key is that they don't have to go downstairs at night. Put 2 half-circle tables on both sides and then place a mattress on top. It's comfortable to sleep with soft pads against the wall. A suspended desk against the wall serves as a working space. Add a shelf on top to develop a good habit of reading every day. It can also store the couple's clothes next to it. This design ensures the house is fully functional, transforming like a tadpole turning into a frog. Absolutely awesome.